Hi, today we're going to be going over how to mark a field as required or unrequired in your growth suite or your win it suite. To start, we're going to log into your system. I'm logged into mine, and now we're going to actually go to a specific opportunity record. Once you're on an opportunity record, you're going to come up here to the right, and you're going to click on the gear icon, and you're going to click Edit Page. From this edit page, you'll notice that all the components get loaded. You can see here we start on the details, and it has your field sections and your individual fields. And each field is actually clickable. So if we want to make P-Win required, what we can do is we can click on P-Win. The right side, you'll notice, is now changed, and it has this UI behavior section. And you have three options. None is standard. It means the field just exists there. Read only means your users will not be able to update that value. And required means it is required. So if we mark this as required, when a user goes to create an opportunity record, they will now be required to fill out P-Win. And for any records that already exist that P-Win is not filled out for, when a user goes to update those records, they will also have to fill out P-Win. Once you're done marking a field as required or unrequired, you can just go ahead and click Save up here, and that change will be saved